it's like a loop around Hakone, where you get trains and cable cars. Is the cable car closed?
No, the cable car is open, it's the ropeway.
The ropeway is closed because of volcanic activity. But anyway, we were given this map when we were buying our tickets. You can buy one ticket that gets you around the whole thing. The guy tailored it all for us, sort of marked our route on it. Marie just dropped it down the side of the chair on the train, and we almost couldn't get it back. It just slipped down and went right down. So yeah, we got it back. We're really chuffed. Well done, Marie. So we've just spent, I don't know, about an hour going up the mountain. We've spent a while going in trains up the mountain. We had to change trains at some point, didn't we? And then the train kept changing direction. It would stop and then go back and then go up a different line. And we're at Gora, and it says here Ninja Cafe Fuma. And we're at a cafe. So I don't know if it's okay to film them. Look at this. Look at this sign here. And the other cool thing is that they do spaghetti carbonara, which I was very tempted, but we're both a bit sleepy. But we've probably made an equally bad choice because we're having chips. We're sharing some chips. Chicken. I'm having chicken. Marie's having fish. So yeah, Ninja Cafe.
The next stop is Nakagora, number OH60. There is no path over the tracks at Nakagora, so please exit using the doors on the same side as the site you are visiting. 箱根登山系ルートは1921年に開通し、強羅から総雲山の標高差200メートル、直線距離 1.2km を運転しております。The Hakone Tozan cable car started operation in 1921. It runs between Gora and Sounza, a direct distance of 1.2 kilometers with an elevation difference of 200 meters. まもなく中郷らです。中郷らでは
はい、琵琶湖到着です。琵琶湖で降りのお客様をお忘れ物ございませんようお願いいたします。それでは出発します。
We just passed some wood, like woodland where the trees were smoldering. So we've just boarded this boat and it's really grand. I'll just walk around for a second. fabulous inside, absolutely beautiful. Never really seen anything like it.
Actually, better check where we need to go.
There it goes. So we're almost there.
We're pretty cool.
Oh yeah, so the Tory gate just went past. I should have bought my other lens. But yeah, it's actually quite cold up in the mountains. We were on the way walking down to the boat, we were actually cool, weren't we?
Oh, sorry.
We just got off the boat. Look at this thing. It's absolutely huge. Let's try and give you a bit of perspective. Oh, there's some people. Yeah, it's huge.